Boom, this is Miller Chip. And if it's your first time here, you're welcome. You like the video? Go and like the video. And please remember to tell a friend, meaning share the video. And also, please follow and hit that subscribe button. So let's get into it. A day with Lil Durk, Brand Steel, and OTF Jam. So today, Lil Durk, my bad. Today, Lil Durk may have received a positive moment in the trials today. Not because the case is over and not because he has been cleared, but because Brand Steel has officially started putting OTF Jam's credibility under pressure. Now remember, Jam has made extremely serious allegations. According to published courtroom reporting, Jam admit participating in the deadly 2022 shooting and gave testimony implicating Durk. The prosecution wants the jury to trust Jam's understanding of private conversation, street slang, and what he claims other people intended. However, these remain allegations, and Durk has pleaded not guilty. But according to reports from inside the courtroom, Brand Steel reportedly asked Jam whether he was objectively a scary person, and Jam reportedly responded that he didn't know what objectively mean. No, hold on. The jury is being asked to consider Jam's interpretation of conversations, slang, and other people's intention. But under cross-examination, the defense is now raising questions about how accurately Jam understands and interprets certain language himself. And that appears to be the strategy behind Brand Steel questions. Steel wasn't simply testing Jam's vocabulary. He appeared to be challenging the reliability of the lens through which Jam is presenting his version of events. In simple terms, Steel may be asking the jury before accepting Jam's interpretations of Durk's words, should you first determine whether Jam is a consistently reliable interpreter. That could be a positive development for Durk's defense. The bad news for Jam is that if jurors begin questioning a cooperating witness' credibility, they may examine that witness allegations more carefully, especially when cooperation could potentially affect that witness' own legal situation. But let's remain accurate. One difficult exchange does not automatically destroy Jam's entire testimony, and Durk has not won the case or been cleared. The prosecution can still argue that Jam's claim first-hand knowledge matters more than whether he understood one particular word. Still, Brand Steel may have opened an important door for the defense to argue reasonable doubt. Jam entered the courtroom attempting to place Durk inside the alleged conspiracy. But Brand Steel turned the courtroom spotlight back onto Jam and reliability of his testimony. The government brought its witness. Brand Steel brought the microphone. Now the jury must decide how much of Jam's testimony it believes. And remember, Durk has pleaded not guilty and remains presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in court. And that's a little rundown, quick rundown of what happened in court today. And you already know, this is Miller Chip. What is under my nose? I'm out.